So today I'm going to show you how to create a Word document using Canva in under 1 minute. I am going to go slow so you can follow, but it takes me less than a minute to do. So you're going to copy whatever you want to go into the Word document. It could be a draft, it could be whatever it is. Canva will tidy it up for you. So don't worry about the formatting, don't worry about the spelling, don't worry about any of that. Canva will work that out for you. So you're going to go copy. And then you're going to go over to Canva, Canva.com. On the home page, there are these quick buttons here, quick navigation buttons. Click on Doc, Create New. Once you're on the doc, click Magic Write. Now, if you're doing this on mobile, Magic Write is at the bottom of the screen. That's Android at least. You're going to go Generate. And you'll see when it's finished, it'll say Insert. And you can stop at generation. Say, for instance, you copied the wrong thing or whatever it is, then you can actually just stop that generation. And just a bit of a pro tip, if you wanted to copy all the text on this page here, Control A won't work. Control A will only copy little sections. Then at the top here, if you want to then change the design, it has to be done in a new window, which is a little annoying because I believe it's a step that shouldn't be there. You can either click up here, edit design, or just double click the image and a new window will open slowly. So the other thing also is that it's slow, but I haven't found a way around it yet. So just click on the outside. Most of these cover header images have a skin over them. So just click to the outside, you'll see the purple line, and just delete that, right? And then double check. Now sometimes there's two skins, but now you can see now your brand kit can be added, and you'll see the color palette of this design here. All you're going to do is you're going to go to design on the left, which is right at the top. Go over to styles, find your brand kit. If you don't know how to create your own brand kit, send me a message or drop in the comments and I will help you. And now I can go in and I can change things the way I want them. So I can make the writing black, I can make it, you can do whatever you like here, right? You can even take the animation away. You can change the font. Say I wanted to use Poppins instead of that, then I could. And once I'm happy with it, then I just go save and it'll put it into the document. So then now you have to go through and just check. You don't want your text to be too bunched up because that creates a bit of overwhelm. And if you've got Grammarly, the free one, it'll help you fix a bit of the grammar because humans make mistakes and so does AI. So just go through and just check all the spelling and so forth. And then you're going to, it's gonna put a title in from the document, and you can see that's fine. And you're gonna go share, you're gonna go download, and you're gonna go download as a PDF. And that's it. That's really all there is to it. Now, of course, I don't want to save this now, so I won't. But you can save it in whichever folder you want. Make sure on the left that you select the folder that you want. Fuck. What just fucking happened?